Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text in publisher table vertically. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document and take a table. Now we want to center text in publisher table vertically. Select the whole table cell, click and drag on our mouse and go to the layout menu. Now we select the align center option and select the align top center. Then click outside of the table. Now we can see we center text this publisher table vertically very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.